Hey everybody, Martyn Pape here down at Chastang Ford. Wanted to give you a look at one of the E-450s that we have become available. Now, as you can see, that gold flag is flying, so that is going to be gold certified, which is the top of the line that Ford can do for a pre-owned unit. Now, if you follow me, we're going to go into the back of the 18-foot box. Just a simple key into the lock right there. Pull it up. And there we go, there's a look at the inside. And as you can see, this 18-foot box actually comes with those partially delivery shells already included. It's one of the many features that if you or somebody you know has a delivery company, it's perfect for them. As you can see on the top and the bottom, plenty of space to get things in. And then there's also plenty of space to get through if you need to get through right here to get back into the driver's seat. And this radio does come with Bluetooth, and one of the added features is the camera both on the back and on each side of the vehicle. So this is going to be camera 1 that you're looking at right here. That's looking out the back of the box truck. Now if you want to see camera 2 to the left, that's on the driver's side, and then camera 3, that is going to be on your passenger side. So those are 3 of the views that you can get as you're driving this E-450 vehicle. Now this isn't the only E-450 that we have here down on the lot at Chastang Ford. If you want to know more about it or some of the units that we have, 713-678-5000.